Hi students, MCQ number 11. Two gases A and B having the same temperature T, same pressure P and same volume V are mixed. If the mixture is at the same temperature T and occupies a volume V, the pressure of the mixture has to be determined. Now problem seems to be very simple, but very good understanding is required first. If you understand, within 10 seconds you can solve the problem. See my dear students, two containers A and B, they are kept separately, let us say, they are kept separately. So inside the container A, the volume occupied by the gas 1 is V, and inside the container B, the volume occupied by the gas 2 is also V. They are also maintained at same pressure and same temperature. And before mixing, since they were kept in separate containers, the total volume is equal to V plus V. Understand? Before mixing, they are kept in two separate containers. Therefore, V1 is equal to V plus V, that is equal to 2V. Understand? Now, after mixing, it occupies a volume V. Both the gases are kept inside the same container of volume V. So, this is, for example, if you take 10 persons are sitting in one room A. In room B, 10 persons are sitting. Okay? Afterwards, these 20 persons now, they are kept inside a third room of the same dimensions. Understand? So the volume will remain the same. Okay. So the number of molecules will increase certainly. The number of molecules in A and B are combined, but volume remains the same. I hope you must have understood. So after mixing, now the final volume V2 is equal to V itself. Are you all understanding? Before mixing, they are in separate chambers, so the total volume is V plus V is 2V. After mixing, both the gas molecules are inside the same chamber, therefore they occupy the volume V. But temperature is still what? T only, at constant temperature. So here P1 is equal to P, and here what is P2? Here what is the pressure P2 is asked. Understand? So P2 is how much? So if the mixture is at the same temperature T and occupies a volume V, then the pressure of the mixture after mixing has to be found. So at constant temperature, we can start like this. At constant temperature, yes, Boyle's law we are going to apply. Okay, at constant temperature T, P1 into V1 is equal to P2 into V2. Therefore, P2 is equal to P1 into V1 divided by V2. So, this is equal to, the initial pressure is taken as P into V1. V1 is how much? 2V. So, into 2V divided by V2 is V. So, V get cancelled. Therefore, we get as what? 2P. Therefore, P2 is equal to twice the initial pressure. So you can see here option A itself is the right answer. Understand? Therefore, option A is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.